morning, honorable President. We have discussed about in case study on fragmented tools for editing and audio production and VFX using design thinking concept. So this is one of the method you can discuss about the case study. So in future, the easiest one and compared to in Canva. Okay. Because of we have a lot of things I have done in Canva. This small mistakes are done. So compared to VFX is the easiest one to convert your image and audio and video and editing of some production oriented. Okay, thank you.
I am going to emphasize this case study. People like content creators, video editors, like social media. Popular people are using edits for most of the time. They face common problems like using most of the tools for separate edits, buying expensive AI tools for editing. This may increase the time for editing. It will reduce some output will be low efficiency. The output will not be the expected one. So we are building a one all-in-one app which has every features to create the best image.
I'm going to define the case study. Creators face struggles during editing because their work is fragmented throughout many editing tools for VFX, video editing, and 3D designs. So the time duration is very longer. It affects in high cost for production. The duration is longer. So we shall create a all-in-one app which may be convenient for editing and may reduce the time durations.
I'm going to edit the case study, brainstorming solutions for this problem. There are many possible AI tools for this one, video editing. We can create script to videos with many AI tools like Adobe, Canva, and many other tools. Most of the cases are using most of the AI tools to generate the videos. And using AI tools, we can add transition, color gradings, sound effects, VFX, whatever we need. We just use the prompts to use the desired output to us. Thank you.
Good morning. I am going to discuss about the prototype. For video editing, we need to first create the N8N workflow diagram. For that, and after creating that, we need to upload the required script for the video or photo editing, which customers require. And we can add a VFX for the required editing. Unlike Canva, Adobe, CapCut, all the VFX are free to the customers and easily accessible. Not a complicated for the editors. Required music and VFX graphics all are free at our app. It can be used and easily generated videos for us. Thank you.
Okay, we are discuss about first your empathy part and define and ideate. Okay, so prototype model. Okay, so nowadays you know about any do you know see any film? Okay. The frame is most important because of each and every frame we are using background of the VFX. Okay, the example you know about Tom and Jerry and toys films are most important. For example, Pantas. These are some VFX oriented films. So each and every face is using VFX sounds. And after the editing, after the production of particular editing. Okay. If suppose in mimicry in background, some faculty means is members. So each and every person, the sound is very large or very small. So these are using noise modeler is available. Okay, the noise model can be implemented using through VFX inbuilt. So that easily convert and whatever you speak and convert particular pantas or commentaries using of the conditions. Okay, so this is a attain or achievements of good quality of pictures in your sectors. Okay, thank you. Okay, we have about still we have completed case study about fragmented for editing and audio production and VFX. So finally we come to the stage of testing process. So one other person, anyone, you can tell about testing process about your case study.
I'm going to tell about testing on this case study. When we give this app to the editors for use for editing and collect regular feedbacks to develop and update our app. When the customer explains the image, we can adjust or modify the image for customer needs or and show the output of customers. If he satisfies. We can go to print, or otherwise we can modify and update the image through the customer needs for the image.
It's telling about it's not only image, it's including video. Okay, so that we have concluded this one. So overall we know what is a design thinking concept. Okay, first one is a empathy, define, ideate and prototype and testing. Using a small type of case study, you can using some biggest type of case studies are available. First, you can identify your empathy. Okay. After you can use these 5 stages, you have a clearly defined your solution. You are the achieve step by step. Okay. Do you know how to understand? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.